How to update all apps at once on the iPhone running iOS 18.5. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, you want to open up App Store. So you can go to the app library and tap on the App Store button. In here, tap on the your account profile picture at the top corner. Then in here, we scroll down and you should see a section where it says upcoming automatic updates. So in here, you can tap on the update all button and that will update all the apps at once. Here, I'm going to cancel it and then I go into apps. So if you go into apps and then tap on my apps, you can see in here, you can scroll down and you can perform an app one by one. So here we've got SkyJoy update, and then there's X update, Instagram update. So you can update them one by one, or you can go to your account and then go down here and then tap on update all, and then all of them will perform an update. And that's it. This is for the iOS 18.5. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So they are all updating now. It may take some time because they all try to update all at once. This one here, SkyJoy, is already finished updating. So X just finished and there's 2 more left. And that's it. Thank you for watching.